What's up, viewers and subscribers? Continue watch the video if you want to see more clips of Ruby Rose and Druski. You know the rules, you know the laws. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Feel free to comment, like up the video, share up the video. So, via subscribers, Ruby Rose and Druski is at it again. And people, right now it's official. Yeah, Ruby Rose and Druski is together. As you all can see from the clip in the beginning of the video, Ruby Rose and Druski was all over each other, kissing. People, it's not even kiss. Them sucking out tongues. No joke about that. And I'm not even gonna talk too long. Just check out the next clip here, Ruby Rose and Druski. There you have it, viewers and subscribers. That was Ruby Rose and Druski having a jolly good time. And I'm not gonna lie, people. Right now, love is in the air, as you all can see. And people, I'm not really there to talk about that clip there. I'm there to talk about the clip in at the beginning with Ruby Rose and Druski and a yacht sucking out tongue. People, man, not tell a lie, that clip then a normal. It bad, it wicked, it mad, it sicked, no joke. Talk truth no people, and man not even gonna talk too long. I want you now, my viewers and my subscribers, and all of the Ruby Rose fans them, all of the Juicy fans them, spam up the comment section and let me know what you all think about Ruby Rose and Juicy relationship. It hot, it cool, it bad, it wicked, it or it miss. Yeah man, I want to see all of the fans them spam up the comment section and let me know what I want. You know the rules, you know the laws. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Feel free to comment, like up the video, share up the video. You know it's your boy Suka and I'm out.